Hello guys, it's DB here and today we're gonna unbox a package from the Minifig company. This is my first order from them. It took quite a long time to get here, but I choose a low or slow some kind of delivery service. I wanted to select a fast one, but I didn't. I just looked over it. But it arrived today. I also thought it would arrive past week or last week, but it didn't. So that's why I had to skip a video there. But here I am back again. So let's open this because I'm really excited to see the contents of this one. Because I've seen their figures and their figures are quite nice. It's time for me to get some real cool printed soldiers. Oh, this is hard. Let me see if I can. Nope, nope, nope. It's like, no, you will not open this package. But I will. So I'm going to use this key. And I usually do this. And when you have one bit in there, you can open the rest up easy. Okay, this might take a little longer. There we go. So let's get all that out of the way. So here it is. So first there's an invoice. Where's an invoice? Let me see. It is an invoice printed 3 times, 3 labels. Alright. So now let's get to the rest of the package. So first we got our traditional business card that you've seen in a lot of videos. Thank you for your order. Alright, so you're the best. Seriously, we really mean it. We'd appreciate if you shared a photo of this figure to our friends, to your friends, family, or neighbors. Let them know you've got your life together. That's a bit too much, I guess, but you know, it's okay. So let's see. Yeah, that's all the figures I got. Is there more? There's a sticker in there. The Minifig Company 2014. That's an old sticker. And that's it. So, oh, here we go. Now let's unbox this package. So as you can see, they're all flash hands because I think the minifigure company only sells like flash hands. I'm not entirely sure, but I thought they did. So these figures are very nice. I will give you an up close. So let me just get it right there. And then if I use this thing, it should come down like that. Yay! Manual. All great. So let's see, a little bit up. Zoom in. So here are the first figures. From left to right there, my camera is moving. Reddish brown torsos, and the middle is like, for those 3, it's, let's see what they're called again. I kind of forgot the names, but so I got one Autumn Oak Leaf MP40. I think it's like, let's see if I can, yeah. I think it's this one. If it's not the Sdg body. I'm not entirely sure. I actually forgot all the names of these. Let's just see how good my knowledge is about these guys. So you have this guy. This has, it looks like MP40 or Sdg pouches. I think it's Sdg. Pretty cool figure. Printing underneath the arms, on the arms. Yeah, got very cool back printing with the gas mask canister here. So that's very cool. Very cool figure. Then we have the next one. This is the, I think it's the Splitter Monster body. Still, I'm not entirely sure, but I think it is. Very cool. Very nice printing. I hope you can see it well, because it really looks awesome. You should really buy from this company. I saw some complaints on Instagram, but yeah, I just ignored those and had to see for myself, and as I'm seeing them right now, it's pretty good service. So then here we have, these are Car 98 pouches, I believe. Still very cool figure. I needed some Car 98 pouches. Underneath the arms, printing. Very nice back printing again. Very, very cool. So let me just get the helmets out of the way for another time. Here you have another SDG, or I believe these are MP44, because the magazine pouch are very long, and the MP40 magazine was pretty long, so I think these might be MP40 pouches. Very cool. Had some pad printing on it. Very durable. Very cool. And again, very nice back printing. So on to the next figure. This is, I believe, let's see what it says here. I think this might be the MP40 Splitter Monster bodies. I think these are the MP40 Splitter Monster bodies. I'm not entirely sure, but I think so. Again, very cool quality, very cool printing, very nice. Also have some pockets, as you can see right there. Very cool. Printed legs. Very cool. Back printing again. Very nice figure. Then I have this guy. I think this is the Sdg Splitter Monster soldier. Very cool back printing. Underneath the arms. Very cool. I'm very happy with my phone focusing. Pretty good. Here we have another one of these. I think these are SDG because of the pouches. They're smaller. Very cool. So I think these are autumn bodies because of the reddish brown. And the other one are spring bodies. Very cool. Sometimes I really wonder what figures they use. I mean, you need large quantities of figures to make so much bodies, but yeah, just one other of those. This is the Car 98. Also has the German Eagle. I don't think I mentioned that before, but it does have the German Eagle on there, and yeah, just your buckle. And does it say SS on there? I believe it does. So very cool. Here we have another one of these guys. SG, I guess these are. This guy is. Very cool printing. Underneath the arms printing, of course. Very cool. And the last guy, these are again SDG pouches. Very nice printing. This also has some like markings from a specific battalion on his arms. Very cool. Very nice back printing again. And that's it for this guy. And then the last two things I got, let me pick up a figure for you guys. Here I am. Oh, sorry. Let me just quickly get a figure. This one looks pretty cool. I got two of these winter stall helms, weathered, so that's pretty cool. Looks very nice. Very cool. So I got one and two of these. So that's very nice. So one last thing before I go. I want to show you a comparison. So, like for example, the right guy you see here is an MG gunner, Kursk from Brickmania, and as you can see, this one, the thing I love about this guy the most is the fact that its ammo chain is texture printed pretty heavily, so you can really see it popping out there. So that looks very cool. So yeah, but for the rest, they're just very cool figures. So that looks very nice, doesn't it? So these are autumn guys. These are, I think, Kursk happened in spring. Not entirely sure, but this is also the camo helmet that came with it. And here is the Dot 44 spring and autumn next together. This one's from Brickmania. I'm planning to make all of these flesh color, but I need a lot of hats for them. So this is what the back looks like. This is a tank commander, so it doesn't have all the gear that an infantry soldier has. But still very nice. As you can see, some straps there. And German Eagle on his hand, or not on his hand, on his arm. And here the final guy I have is just regular infantry, but also he looks very cool. He has a lot of detail, as you can see. So very cool. I want to do more of these comparisons. I think they're fun, and I think it's also good to show people the difference in quality. There's not much difference in quality as I see here. I mean, both figures from both companies look really good. So yeah, they really fit in with the other guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this order from the Minifig company, and I hope to see you next time on DB Bricks. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, see you next time. Have a nice day.